Welcome, travel consultants, to today's video tutorial on understanding fare construction steps for higher intermediate point fare one-way routing. As travel experts, it's crucial to comprehend the process of calculating fares based on various factors. In this video, we will guide you through the steps involved, enabling you to make more informed decisions for your client's flights. Planning air travel can sometimes be complex, especially when it comes to understanding the fare calculation process. Today, we will focus on higher intermediate point, HIP, fare for one-way routing and explore each step in detail. For example, the journey starts from Dubai, DXB, on Emirates to Paris, PAR, with unrestricted interline economy T class and a stopover in Paris. From Paris, PAR, on Lufthansa to Frankfurt, FRA, unrestricted interline economy Y class with no stopover, and continuing from Frankfurt, FRA, on Air Canada to Montreal, YMQ, unrestricted interline economy Y class. In this example, Amadeus GDS is used to illustrate the fare code display for economy cabin fares from Dubai to Montreal on Air Canada. You can use any GDS system or passenger tariff book. By following these steps, you will gain valuable insights into how fares are determined and be able to make more informed decisions when booking your flights. Step 1. Fare Construction Point, FCP. The journey starting point and destination are key factors in fare construction. In this example, the journey begins in Dubai, DXB, and ends in Montreal, YMQ, with a stopover in Paris, PAR, but no stopover in Frankfurt, FRA. This routing falls under IATA Area 2 to Area 1, involving crossing the Atlantic Ocean and applying the Atlantic routing. Step 2. One-way fare in neutral unit construction, NUC. The one-way fare in neutral unit construction, NUC, is a standardized measure used to calculate the fare. In our example, the one-way fare in NUC is 2,643.79. Step 3. Rule for routing. For this fare calculation, there is no specified routing due to the mileage rule. Instead, the routing is determined by the distance traveled. Step 4. Maximum permitted mileage, MPM, sets a limit on the distance allowed for the journey. In our example, the MPM is 8,142 miles. Step 5. Ticketed point mileage, TPM, is the total distance in miles between each ticketed point of the journey. In our example, the TPM is as follows. Dubai to Paris 3,262 miles. Paris to Frankfurt 286 miles. Frankfurt to Montreal 3,631 miles. Total TPM is 7,179 miles. Step 6. Extra Mileage Allowance, EMA. The extra mileage allowance is not applicable, as no exceptional routing was found in the IATA table. Step 7. Extra Mileage Surcharge, EMS. Similarly, the extra mileage surcharge, EMS, does not apply since the ticketed point mileage of 7,179 miles is within the maximum permitted mileage, MPM, of 8,142 miles. Step 8. Intermediate Point, HIP, fare. The concept of the intermediate point, HIP, fare arises when determining the fare for a specific segment of the journey. In our example, since there is no stopover in Frankfurt, we consider the fare from Paris to Montreal, which is 3,338.04 NUC. Therefore, the higher intermediate point, HIP, fare of 3,338.04 NUC applies to this routing. Step 9. Airfare, AF, or constructed fare, CF, represents the final fare calculated based on the chosen routing and fare rules. In this case, the constructed fare in neutral unit construction, NUC is 3,338.04. Step 10, Backhaul Check, BHC, involves comparing the fare from the origin to an intermediate stopover point with the fare from the origin to the final destination. In our example, the fare from the intermediate point Paris, PAR, to the destination Montreal, YMQ, is higher than the fare from the origin, Dubai, to the destination, Montreal. Step 11, Total and Neutral Unit Construction, NUC. To summarize all the surcharges and checks, the total fare in neutral unit construction, NUC, is 3,338.04. Step 12, IATA Rate of Exchange, IROE, or Rate of Exchange, ROE, is the conversion rate used to calculate the fare in the local currency. In our example, the IROE or ROE is 3.67 to 75. Step 13, Local Currency Fare, LCF, represents the final fare amount in the currency of the issuance country. In our example, the fare of 3,338.04 NUC multiplied by the IROE or ROE of 3.67 to 75 results in 12,259.7864. Rounded off according to UAE dirham rules, the final fare is 12,260.00 AED. Understanding the fare construction steps for higher intermediate point, HIP, fare one-way routing is crucial for travel consultants. By considering factors such as the fare construction point, maximum permitted mileage, ticketed point mileage, intermediate point fare, and fare rules, you can accurately calculate fares and make informed decisions when booking flights for your clients. We hope this knowledge will assist you in providing better services to your clients. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel-related content.